In today's video, I'm going to teach you automatic currency conversion with live exchange rates. If you want your spreadsheet to update currency values automatically without manually checking exchange rates online, Google Sheets has a simple built-in solution that can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Google Finance function to pull in live currency exchange data directly into your sheet. The key idea here is that Google Sheets can connect to financial information and return the current exchange rate between two currencies. That means instead of entering a fixed rate yourself, you can use a formula that updates dynamically. This is especially useful if you work with budgets, international pricing, invoices, travel planning, or any spreadsheet that depends on current currency values. To do this, click into the cell where you want the exchange rate to appear, and type the formula equals Google Finance, followed by the currency pair inside quotation marks. For example, you can enter equals Google Finance open parenthesis quotation mark currency colon US dinar quotation mark close parenthesis. Once you press enter, Google Sheets will return the live exchange rate from US dollars to Indian rupees. What this means is that the value shown tells you how much $1 is worth in Indian rupees at the current rate available through Google Finance. If the market changes, the value in your spreadsheet can update automatically, which makes your data much more reliable than using old manually entered numbers. A helpful tip is to make sure you type the currency code in the correct format. The formula uses the word currency, followed by a colon and then the two three-letter currency codes placed together. In this example, USD stands for US dollar, and INR stands for Indian rupee. If you ever want to convert between other currencies, you can use the same structure by replacing those codes with the ones you need. You can also build on this by referencing the exchange rate in other formulas in your spreadsheet. For example, if you have an amount in one cell and the live exchange rate in another, you can multiply them to calculate a converted value automatically. That makes your sheet more flexible and easier to maintain over time. This is a quick and effective way to bring live financial data into Google Sheets and automate currency conversion with minimal effort. Thanks for watching.